The first periodic table. In 1869, a Russian chemist named Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev, 1834 to 1907, was writing a book about the elements. He made a set of element cards. Each card showed an element's name, symbol, and everything that was known about it. He put the cards in one long row from lightest to heaviest, hydrogen to uranium. Mendeleev saw something interesting in the line of element cards. The first two elements, hydrogen, H, and lithium, Li, had similar chemical properties. And as he looked down the line, he also noticed that sodium, Na, and potassium, K, had properties like hydrogen and lithium. The similar chemical properties showed up periodically, meaning at regular intervals, in his lineup. Then Mendeleev saw that beryllium, Be, magnesium, Mg, and calcium, Ca, all had similar properties, but different from hydrogen and lithium. The similar chemical properties of beryllium, magnesium, and calcium showed up periodically, too. Mendeleev had an idea. He reorganized the cards into several short rows. This way, the elements with similar properties lined up in columns. The columns he created are now called groups. The periodic pattern of similar chemical properties gave the list its name, the periodic table of the elements. When Mendeleev had all the elements laid out, he noticed something was wrong. For instance, the chemical properties of titanium, Ti, were not like those of aluminum, Al, and boron, B, above it. Titanium is a hard, shiny, strong metal, widely used in the aerospace industry. Shifting its position in the periodic table was a breakthrough for Mendeleev. Mendeleev tried all kinds of things to make the cards line up better. He began moving elements around. When Mendeleev moved titanium and its neighbors to the right, two things happened. The chemical properties of the elements lined up better, and there was a gap in the table of elements. Mendeleev predicted that an undiscovered element would fill that gap. He also predicted the properties of the new element. By lining up the known elements by their properties, Mendeleev predicted about 30 new elements. Over the next 30 years, most of them were discovered.